With Samsung Galaxy S22 series is released, now Samsung main focus will be on their mid-range A series devices, which are going to be launching in the month of March or April. This is very important series from Samsung, particularly in developing countries like India. And Samsung is facing a tough competition in that region from the likes of Xiaomi, Realme, Oppo and Vivo. And in order to compete in that region, Samsung will be bringing some high features in their A series devices. Let's begin. As far as the release of the A series is coming closer to launch, so naturally we got some leaks and rumors for that particular devices. First of all, the Galaxy A23, which has been leaked a couple of times in past few weeks. The support page for the Galaxy A23 is live on Samsung official Russian website, and also smartphone is satisfied on Bluetooth SIG. Basically, this page does not give us any much detail other than the model number that is confirmed. But previous Geekbench listing coming from last week confirmed some main specification of the device, like it is going to be coming with Android 12 out of the box, 4 gigs of RAM and a Snapdragon 680 processor. Beside that, it also coming with a 6.4 inch of LCD display, 50 megapixel of a main sensor, while the 5G variant will be coming with 6.55 inch of screen size, a Dimensity 5000 chip inside, a 50 megapixel of main sensor, 8 megapixel ultra wide, 2 megapixel macro and 2 megapixel depth sensor. A side mounted fingerprint scanner is also coming on the Galaxy A23. So as far as its spec sheet is concerned, I don't think that is going to be much improved. It's looking similar to the Galaxy A22 released last year. Moving forward, we have the Galaxy A33, which has also been leaked on certain times from different websites. But the latest leak that has been arrived is coming from Google Play Console listing, which showcased that it's coming with a new mid-range Exynos 1200 chipset inside, which has 2 cores with 2.4 GHz clock speed and 6 core at 2 GHz. It's coming with a 6 GB of RAM with a Full HD Plus display, Android 12 out of the box. It will have a massive 5000 mAh battery, 64 GB of storage option, and according to the leaks, we are not going to see the micro SD card support for the Galaxy A33 5G. And it's also supported by IP67 dust and water resistance, and on the back we have a quad camera setup. Unfortunately, we don't know what are going to be the camera sensors, and according to the leak, sadly there is no 3.5mm headphone jack support for the Galaxy A33 5G. To be honest guys, on paper we are likely going to seeing the same design as the last year Galaxy A32. Nothing has been improved except we got a new processor inside. And finally we have the Galaxy A73, which charging speed has been leaked coming from the FCC listing. According to the listing, Galaxy A73 will only support 25 watt of a fast charging at max. Another thing that has been confirmed by the FCC listing, that the Galaxy A73 will be arriving with a Wi-Fi 6, which is the latest standard in the Wi-Fi. From previous leaks, we also got some spec sheet for the Galaxy A73, and it's going to be equipped with a 6.7 inch of Full HD Plus Super Amoled display with a 90Hz of refresh rate. Quad camera with a main sensor is going to be a 108 megapixel sensor, 12 megapixel ultra wide, 8 megapixel telephoto and a 5 megapixel macro. So guys, overall I think that the Galaxy A73 will be bringing some major upgrades, like we can expect a new processor inside the device. Also, it's going to be coming with a massive new camera sensor, and also it's going to be coming with a faster charging support. So overall, this is going to be a much improved device as compared to the Galaxy A33 and A23. So guys, that is it in this particular video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What are your opinion on the Galaxy A series devices? Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace.